What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, it seems like the real TV show has gotten someone to finally take Tamar's place at the table. Now, it's been over a year since they've had a full ensemble cast. The ladies on the show were cut down from 5 to 4 after the show's controversial cut Tamar Braxton from its roster. Now, there was a whole dramatic falling out between Tay Tay and a few of the cast members when she was seemingly ambushed with a pink slip from her job. Now, fast forward. Now, looks like the Real has finally found someone to take Tamar's place. Now, the new host just officially announced it to their Instagram page. Now, who you may ask is replacing Tamar? It's Ray J. Ray J will be the fifth person at the table on The Real. He's already a TV veteran, and he has a lot to be thankful for this year. Now, do you think he's a good fit? Well, because the show is primarily about women, and you had five women, I'm sorry, talking about their personal experience and issues and everything. But now you are going to have a man at the table. How about that? To share his insight from a man's point of view. Well, I'm not hating. We'll see how he does. Ray J put on his Instagram, looks like I got a new job. Stay tuned. All right. That's all for me. What do y'all think? Do you think Ray J is going to be an asset to The Real? Well, I love to hear from you. Just press that comment button and let me know how you feel about it. And as always, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, in parting, y'all, be blessed. Bye.
What we do here is go back.